I have got a mission for this video today. It's actually 3 parts. The first part is I want to share with you some new potential features to LinkedIn. Now, these are not features that exist right now, and they might never exist, but I want to show you some of the features that LinkedIn is talking about implementing. Second, for each of the new features, I want to share with you some ideas on how you can use those new features to market your business, get more clients, have impact on more people, should those new features actually become a part of LinkedIn. And then we're going to have an adult conversation about the importance of not being distracted by every new feature or little thing that just shows up in the landscape of trying to market your business, and how focusing on a few key activities will have more impact on your ability to grow than anything else. So if you're someone that likes to simply scroll on social media and watch other people live their lives, this video might be a little boring for you. But if you're a business owner and you want to make more profit in your business, and you want to impact more people, and you'd like to actually have fun while you're doing it, stick around because I've got some great stuff to share with you. My name is Chris, and for more than 2 decades, I've had thousands of paying clients who I've helped wildly grow their businesses using the internet and social media and email. These are people who have others that they want to serve, and they know they can have an impact on their market, and they'd like to get paid beautifully doing something that they love. So I help them do that. But I do it in a way like you might not think. And it's important to say one more time, these features might not actually show up in LinkedIn. We can read about these things in the LinkedIn engineering blog, or we can hear people talk about them, but they may not actually implement these things. For example, in some parts of the world on LinkedIn, you can have 5 images in your profile banner that rotate through. Now, that's not available everywhere. Sounds like a pretty cool feature. I would love it if they rolled it out, but we don't know if they actually will. Let's talk about some of the artificial intelligence features that LinkedIn is proposing. The first is an AI career coach. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're a service-based entrepreneur. At least I hope you are if you're watching this. You might not need career coaching. That's true. But if you serve people who do have careers, the AI career coach could be a great way for you to learn about the challenges they face in their careers so that you can position your services to help solve those problems. LinkedIn has already started to implement AI in terms of content creation, and I think we'll start to see more of that showing up. You can think of this as like a personal assistant that's helping you with your content creation. You can do things like identify trending topics or figure out when the best time to share a certain type of content is. Or maybe you can gain some insights into the type of content that you should be creating to best serve your audience. Something I might suggest that you avoid is using AI to exclusively create your content without adding in your own expertise or demonstrating your own authority. There's an abundance of evidence right now that people can tell when content has been generated by AI, and they're starting to reject that kind of content. The last thing I would want to see happen is your perfect prospects ignoring you because all you did was churn out some spun content on AI. But for data collection, predictive analysis, understanding who your clients are, what they want, and when they want it, AI is great for that. And by the way, if you want to explore some strategies for how to use LinkedIn to get more clients into your business, well, I've created an entire training for you that will help you do that. Just visit the link that I'm going to put up on the screen right now. I'll also include it in the video description. You can go check out that training. LinkedIn is also exploring some enhanced networking features. Think of this as like blending Zoom with LinkedIn. Imagine being able to hold industry-specific meetings right on LinkedIn, or having open office hours where people can just drop in and ask you questions. This will give you the ability to deepen the connection that you have with your prospects, as well as demonstrate your expertise and your authority in these live events right on LinkedIn. It's also entirely possible that LinkedIn implements some professional matchmaking. Think of this as LinkedIn helping you find your perfect clients. I mean, imagine LinkedIn suggesting someone to you who actually needs the service that you offer. This will go a long way in building your professional network and helping expose your service to the people who are problem aware and solution seeking. When it comes to content and engagement, I think we're going to see a whole lot more short form video content show up on LinkedIn. This is going to show up in a couple of different ways. First, we'll see more and more short form content in your news feed. And beyond that, LinkedIn is looking at more ways for you to be able to share short form content with your network. So this will come in the form of personalized short form video messages to your connections, or you might be able to convey tips or answer common questions, or even share client success stories through this short form content. Since we're always looking to improve our marketing, looking at data and analytics is essential. And LinkedIn is proposing more enhanced features so that you can understand which of your content performs the best. You can see when your ideal clients are most active on the platform, and that will help you create a strategy for getting your content on LinkedIn so that the exact right people are seeing it at the exact right time. LinkedIn is also looking at implementing verification of credentials so that when you get a certification or some sort of a degree, there's a verification process to validate that you've done what you've said you've done. This is going to go a long way in building someone's authority on the platform. These verified credentials can go a long way in building trust between you and your prospects, and they can help you stand out in your niche. Another exciting potential feature within LinkedIn is paywall options. What this means is you could potentially charge people for premium content, or you could have a collection of resources that people would pay to get access to, or perhaps you could create a private group that would be a subscription model where people would have to pay to be a part of that private group, all within the LinkedIn platform. And so let's have a real adult conversation about this, because we're here to market our businesses. We're here to get clients, to make more money, to have an impact on those we serve, and to be happy in our businesses. And while all of these features sound great, and they can provide us with a lot of traction on the platform, I will also tell you that platforms can change like that. As I'm recording this, I have some people in my masterminds who were running private Facebook groups. Facebook this week decided to shut down a bunch of Facebook groups. So their entire audience that was collected on Facebook is gone because their Facebook groups are gone. So I would tell you this. Be excited about new potential features, especially if they help you reach a bigger audience, but be cautious about relying on a single platform as a trajectory for bringing revenue into your business. In fact, the smart, successful people that I work with who are in my masterminds know that if you're going to truly scale your business, you have to move people from social media, a platform that you don't control, to something else, a platform that you do control, whether that's your mailing list or a private community that isn't subject to being closed down by the social platform. And by the way, if you would like to learn how to effectively move people from social media to a system that you control, I'm going to put a link on the screen right now. If you just visit that link, I'll probably also include it in the video description. You visit that link, there'll be a free training for you there that's going to get you started in moving people from social media to a system that you control so that you can control the marketing to those people. When you visit that link, it's going to take you to a free training that will teach you how to get started in moving people from social media to a system that you do control so that you can have more control over your marketing. The class is totally free, and I have some other cool stuff that will definitely help you as well. So go check out that class. Remember, while these features sound very exciting, they are still just in development, or they're still just ideas. The key is to judiciously be adaptable to these features as they come out. As you see a new feature roll out, give it a try for a little while, see if it works for you, see if it provides you with any positive results, and then implement it into your marketing strategy. And if it doesn't, don't. Simplicity is what's going to work best for you. And always remember, moving people from the socials to a system that you do control, it's what's going to allow you to truly scale your business. And I've created this really awesome on-demand class that will help you get more clients from LinkedIn. The link for that class is on the screen right now. I'll also include it in the video description. And while everything we've covered today is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need right now, which is why YouTube is going to suggest another video that will help you right now. So you can go ahead and click the link on that video. I'll see you in the next one.